Hi, I'm Lance Martin from MBO America. Today we're going to talk a little about our roll-fed finishing lines and how the modularity allows you to grow with them as your needs change. Here in the background we see our standard roll-fed finishing line for letter folds. We start with an unwinder, a dynamic perf and score unit, sheeting system with trimming and cutting prior to the sheeting knives, chip out, and then our DFT folders, and then typically you would see a delivery back there for letter folds. In this case, however, you can see we've added a significant amount of equipment to that standard letter fold line to be able to do a little bit different product. So the letter fold line could easily do something like this, which is what's webbed up in the machine now. It's a typical 5.5 by 8.5 type folded letter rolled up. This is a 17-inch cutoff roughly, or 17.5, and you roll it up, you get a nice piece, beautiful product. However, if the customer wants a little bit more, it'd be easy to just maybe tip on a card here. And that's the process we have added to the same line, and you don't need to change anything you do to the line. All you need to do is add on this modular equipment on the back end to tip on the card. And we'll show that a little more in detail. Here we can see the modules we added on to the letterfold line to actually tip the card on to the product as we finish the piece. You can see we have a module after the folder which takes the product out of the folder, re-registers it, and turns it the other direction so we can have a chance to fold it using plow folds. Then we have a MBO folder gluer table, we call the 091 table, and it's a vacuum transport table that can have tooling on it to perform operations such as plow folds, card tip-ons, and the like. Here you can see we have a card tip-on with a card feeder from multi-feeder technology and a section of plows, along with a hot melt glue head assembly to seal the product and seal the card on the piece as it goes by. Here's a little shot of the card that we're actually going to be using to tip on. Very similar to common cards that would go in your wallet, like a CR80. So let's take just a second and we'll walk down the line and look at each piece a little more close.